For me, the most important thing is to inform as much people as possible. I want to tell everyone what climate change is about, and I was always interested in climate. And as I heard from the things happening on the earth from global warming, I was shocked, and I told me I have to do something against it. When we were at the glacier and when a big part of the glacier broke down and crashed into water, I really feel the climate change. It sounded like the ice was screaming for help or something like this. But when you see these glaciers, you feel that you are guilty in a way for this, so you really want to do something. My art project is including the science things.
Oh my god, it's moving so funny.
I first talked to my school about what I find out about plankton and how it's changed, and then I showed my piece of art so they could see it in a better way and they could understand it better. My teacher told me about Cape Farewell, and I think it's a good way to show people what's happening and how to do something against it. They are using art for doing this, and I think art is a good way because they can touch the feelings of the persons, and when they watch some pictures they can feel more as when they watch facts or something like this and just boring things. So yeah, we have to get the emotions of the people into this topic. The communication with the school worked well, and when I came back they were always interested. And on the 6th of November we had an art day at our school and it was all about climate change. So I told them what I've done, and we all did some art project into the topic climate change. And yeah, we were in, like, I think about 6 newspapers, 2 radio stations and 4 TV channels. So a lot of people know us and know Cape Farewell and the voyage, and I really noticed that a lot of people are more interested in this topic right now for my community and for my school, because they know that I was there and they asked me what can I do to do something against climate change.